Once again, it's my joy to greet all of you from Cochin on this Lord's Day. I am your servant for Jesus' sake. Today's portion for our meditation is taken from Luke's Gospel chapter 15, verse 1 and 2. In this passage, we see the complaint raised by the Pharisees and the teachers of the law when they found the tax collectors and sinners all gathering around to hear Jesus. They muttered, saying, "This man welcomes sinners and eats with them." This may be for them to accuse Jesus as a sinner. There is a common saying, "Birds of the same feather flock together." So they wanted to show that he also must be one among the sinners because he received them. But who is he against whom they raise this complaint? He is the Lord of glory, the one who is the object of heaven's worship. He left all the glorious position to seek and to save sinners. He was holy, born without sin. He knew no sin and did no sin. In Hebrew 7 and verse 26, we read, "Such a high priest truly meets our need, one who is holy, blameless, pure, set apart from sinners, exalted above the heavens." Explaining his mission, Jesus once said, "It is not the healthy who need a doctor, but the sick. I have not come to call the righteous, but sinners to repentance." Save them from the refuse and rubbish and wear them as jewels on his royal diadem. To pull them out from eternal fire and preserve them as monuments of his grace. To convince these murmuring hypocrites who did not know his mission, he very graciously told them 3 parables to show how man is a lost sinner. First of all, he said that man is a senseless sinner like a sheep. Secondly, he told he is an insensible sinner like a coin. And thirdly, he said he is a sensual sinner like the prodigal son who lived a life gratifying the cravings of his flesh. In the first parable, the proportion was 1 out of 100. In the second, it was 1 out of 10. And in the last, 1 out of 2. If you say in percentage, 1%, 10% and 50%. But the word says that all are lost. 100%. In Isaiah 53 and verse 6, we read, "We all like sheep have gone astray. Each of us has turned to our own way." A wayward girl slipped into a church on a cold day. She heard the preacher saying, "He receiveth sinners and eateth with them." He was reading from an old translation. After the sermon was over, she approached the preacher and said, "Sir, I never knew that my name was there in the Bible." Preacher asked her name. She told Edith. Preacher said, "No, it doesn't." She replied, "I heard you preaching, 'He receiveth sinners and eateth with them.'" Though misunderstood, she confessed a vital truth. He receiveth sinners and you and I with them. How much we need to be thankful for what he has done. Let us worship him. That famous song come to my mind.
Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now am found, was blind, but now I see.
Thank him and worship him for accepting us into his fold. Thank you for your interest to hear Hidden Treasures. May God bless you.